Hello everybody, welcome back to the farm. My name is Sam, but some of you guys already knew that. So today is like day 6 or 7 of the soybean harvest from my uncle. Nice beautiful day, couldn't ask for better weather. Spent the majority of the morning fixing a garden section. But other than that, I'm all gassed up, greased up, and ready to go. So if anything cool pops up or anything exciting happens, I'll let you guys know. So we finally fixed that section on the cutter bar that was the closest one to the pitman. So it was, you know, underneath like that little, I don't know what to call it, some sort of bracket brace piece. But it turns out we just had to smack the bolts through and then you can slide the section right in there. Bada bing, bada boom. But anyway, somewhere in the midst of that, my battery died. So that is that. I got my battery charged up and I am out here combining some soybeans. They're super dry too. They're testing 6.6. I swear that this yield has to be wrong. Here we go. Yeah, 26, 27. So it takes a second, but anyway, not the best yielding stuff, but it is super dry. I'll catch up with you guys later.